welcome to our Friday video assembly, and I think this is probably the last video Friday assembly we will have for a little while, maybe even the last one. So today we've got some piano playing. Maya is playing the piano and I am going to play the piano as well, and we've also got the newspaper that Bubble 3 have made, the Key Worker Bubble in school, the lockdown news. So we'll see some photos of that and then some piano playing. So I really hope you enjoy it, and I hope you've enjoyed our Friday assemblies, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Okay, have a great weekend. Thank you, bye bye.
Chalcombe, and if we're lucky we can see these horses. We always bring carrots just in case. Ew. Oh. Oh, come on. They're not always here, so we have to be lucky. But if they are lucky, we bring them carrots for them. If they're not here, we usually use the carrots. This one doesn't usually come, and it always drops its food. Mommy, come to
Look at everybody there below, all the Yetis that I love and know, and they're waking up to see this awesome morning. They've all got a smile on their face. Another reason I love this place, 'cause it's always full of life and never boring. Look all around us, it's all rock and ice and snow, frigid and freezing. Yeah, it's pretty great, I know. And hey, hey, it's another day like every other, and I don't wanna change a thing, not one little thing. I mean, because I do what the snow say, and I'm doing okay. What could be better than this? It is what it is perfection. Look at everybody do their part, and they do it with a happy heart, and it gives them all a sense of greater purpose. Well, that's the way that I wanna be. I wanna make them all proud of me. Just be a steady Yeti at their service.
Do you seriously believe mammoths are holding us up?
What's holding up the mammoths?
Hello? It's just mammoths all the way down. Don't listen to them. They're questioning the stones, and we don't do that, okay?
If there's a question causing you to go astray, just stuff it down inside until it goes away. Got it? Good. Now we all say, hey,